Hey guys, today we're going to be deep cleaning the kitchen. It's been a little while, so I really need to get in there and clean the stovetop, the sink, the stainless steel, everything. And I just need to declutter. We have a bunch of just crap and garbage that's just hanging around the kitchen that doesn't belong there, and it's time to go. And about a week after I filmed this, I picked up a bunch of spring decor, so that's going to be my next video. I'm really excited to share with you. I did all new florals. I did like a blue and white with pops of pink. It came out really pretty, I think, so that'll be next week's video. So if I don't talk through every product that I use, it will be down below in the description. I always put it down there, and I'll try to put it up on the screen too if you want to find it. But the counter cleaner that I'm using, it is by Method. It is great for stone, quartz, natural stone, marble. Works really, really well. I also love these gloves. Got them off of Amazon. Comes in like a pack of pink, purple, and green, I think. So you can like use different gloves for different jobs in your house so that you have a different designated pair for each job. I find that's what works for me. So I'm gonna put the music up and we'll get going with the cleaning. I have to jump in here real quick because I feel like this might be helpful for some people. So what I'm cleaning right now is the Omie lunchbox. It is awesome. So on the one side, there's an ice pack where you can put cold items. So this one I give to my daughter to bring to gymnastics. So there's an ice pack so you can put like fruit or anything cold in there. And then the other side has the little thermos where you can put hot items. So if you're looking for something, they have great items. And then I have a different box that I use for my kids for lunch. But I just wanted to put that out there because it really is a game changer. This is totally random, but I've been trying to be better about unplugging appliances, especially in the kitchen, because my electric bill's been crazy. I mean, I know everyone's has, but if there's something that I can do to maybe reduce some of that bill. That's what I'm gonna try to do. So if anyone has any good tips, please comment below. I will take all the help I can get. Speaking of appliances, this is Drew Barrymore's line, Beautiful, it's called. And I like to use the Dawn degreaser to degrease like all of the stuff that gets all crusty. Anyway, I've been looking for replacement parts for her line. And I don't see it on Walmart. I don't see it on her website. I don't know if I could like call customer service or something, but I would love to be able to get some replacement parts. So if anyone knows how you can go about purchasing those, please let me know. I figured out a good method to clean my air fryer, and I did a whole dedicated video on it, so I will put it up above in the cards if you need some help. But I am also looking for a replacement, like not the tray, but the thing that goes on top of it, because that just gets nasty over time. I have tried the paper, like the liners for the air fryer. I have not found one that didn't start smelling like it was on fire. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Thanks. And my favorite way to clean my stainless steel appliances is with the Weiman. I like the wipes the best, but then I like to go over it with a microfiber cloth and just remove any excess residue. It just buffs it out. It makes it look perfect. That's my go-to method. So cleaning the cabinets is tedious, and the little hardware. Mine are like a glass crystal, so I do wipe those down quite a bit because they get really crusty. But I have white, so I'll just like spot clean here and there. But every couple of months, I will get in there and give them a deep clean, wipe them down. If you have a lot of like grime or just buildup, use a steam cleaner. It works wonders. I love my handheld one. I think mine, I have a Bissell. I'll list it down below, but that's what I've been liking using when the grime gets really, really tough to, cut through. I like to switch up how I clean the wood floors. So today I'm using the Bona wood floor cleaner. Love it. I've been using this for years, like 10 plus years. I also like to use my Shark steam cleaner. Just make sure that your floors are sealed, and I put like a little bit of essential oil. Nothing says clean kitchen like the candle being lit. So that is it for today's cleaning video. Next week is going to be my spring decor video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.